I've been doing this for 4 days. I leave now and get onto a 42-year-old Boeing, but new ones are coming. New ones are coming, and it's been an incredible 4 days. I want to thank your family. Your family is so unbelievable, the job they've done, and your father has been really incredible. The job they've done here is incredible, and we've made it work. And you know, they were being wooed by others, but there's no more wooing. I think we're in pretty good shape.
Absolutely.
There's no more wooing. I've been friends with these leaders, 3 leaders in particular that we saw over the last 3, 4 days, 5 days, and they're great people. They're great people, and they love our country, and we love them. So it's been a tremendous time, and now it's time to go back home. My daughter had a baby. I'm going to go back home and see that little baby, and then we get back to a lot of work. We'll see what happens with Russia and Ukraine. I think it's something that's just, we got to stop the killing. 5,000 people a week, 5,000 young people a week on average being killed in a war that is going nowhere. It's a shame. Should have never happened. But we have other things to do also. Plus we have an Iran situation, which we're going to take care of. One way or the other, we're taking care of. It'll be taken care of 100%. It'll be done nicely or not nicely. And the not nicely is not a good thing for them. And I think we're talking to them, and I think they've come a long way. So I just want to thank the media. Has been very fair, I have to say, and they realize the importance of what we've done here, and it really is, and it's an honor, and it's sort of easy for me because I know the people. I've known them. I've known your father for a lot longer than I've been in politics, because I did have another life. That was a very good life and a very successful life. But this is something that's really successful because we're doing it for 325 million people. And the United States now is the hottest country anywhere in the world. And you see that even with enlistments, military enlistments setting records. 6 months ago, you couldn't get anybody to go into the military, and so many other things. So we're just doing great. We have probably, I was saying 2 days ago, we have $10 trillion of investment, and now the 10 trillion is probably 12 or 13, I think, Scott and
Yes, sir.
Howard. I think we're probably looking at 10 to now we're looking at 13, maybe $13 trillion. These are numbers that nobody's ever, even you guys, you've never heard of numbers. These are numbers that nobody's. You better not be.
We punch it.
It does. That I agree. That's if you get that big, I'm going to not like you so much anymore. So I want to thank everybody. The media's been great, and we'll see you guys back in Washington D.C. See you. Even Peter's being nice today. Have a good time. Say it. Yes, I have spoken to her a couple of times. She's doing great, and we'll be seeing them very soon. Very nice. Thank you very much for this. Well, we're gonna. I think it's time for us to just do it. I said, they all said Putin was going and Zelensky was going, and I said, if I don't go, I guarantee Putin's not going. And he didn't go, and I understand that, but we're going to get it. We're going to get it done. We got to get it done. 5,000 young people are being killed every single week on average, and we're going to get it done.
Are you going to call him?
No, he didn't show up because he heard Putin wasn't going. So
when do you think you'll meet the president?
as soon as we can set it up. I would actually leave here and go. I do want to see my beautiful grandson, it's his son, and we'll be doing that. But I will tell you that the world is a much safer place right now, and I think in 2 or 3 weeks we could have it be a much, much safer place. We're going to handle a couple of situations that you have here. We have some very serious situations, and we're looking at Gaza, and we got to get that taken care of. A lot of people are starving. A lot of people are. There's a lot of bad things going on. Okay. Thank you all very much, and in particular, I want to thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we're going to get everything
Always a
straightened
pleasure.
out.
Mr. President, if you don't mind,
Thank you.
I'd love to get your signature. I'd love to get your signature.
Yeah, I'll do that. Thank you. Thank you, Peter. We'll see you back there.
We're going.